everyone, myself Ritika Sharma from Government High Secondary School Kannashedkal and I read in 12th class. My today's topic, My India is my pride, how I contribute in making India self-reliant nation. I am proud to be an Indian because I am aware that it is a great privilege and an immense responsibility too. I am proud to be an Indian because I know what I represent. Yes, I am an Indian and my India is my pride. National pride is a feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment that we feel towards our motherland. It is both the pride and sense of esteem that a person has for one's nation which developed his own identity. Dear friends, India is only the country where people speak more than 250 languages, full of different caste, creed, religion, and culture, but still now how to live together in harmony and peace. India is a country which perfectly demonstrates unity is diversity. India is seventh largest country and the second largest populated country in the world, commonly known as Bharat, Hindustan, sometimes Aryavat, surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west and Indian Ocean in the south. My country, India, is inhabited by diverse religion living together and spreading the idea of brotherhood since the ancient time, whether it is Eid for Muslims, Guru Purab for Sikh, Diwali for Hindus, Christmas for Christians, or Buddha Purnima for Buddhists, and many more. We Indians take pride in every religion and festivals and celebrate together to spread happiness and love. Beside great saint, Indian soil has given birth to great leaders and freedom fighters who are still alive in our hearts. My dear friends, we should never forget that India is one of the oldest civilizations of the world and is well known as land of spirituality, philosophy, science and technology. As Chandrasekhar Azad rightly said, अब भी जिसका खून नहीं खोला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है. It is worth mentioning that in order to become the pride of a nation, that is my motherland, we must contribute to the development of our nation by doing something special, by becoming a well-known scientist to contribute in the field of science and research for upgradation of the poor and to bring them at pair with the general society of the country. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken initiatives to make this country Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant India. As the children of this great nation, it is our duty to respect its democracy and take a step ahead to make our motherland proud. We must contribute with full devotion to the nation, selflessly, either as a common law binding citizen or as a soldier to guard our boundaries or as a teacher building the future of this nation. Dear friends, to conclude, feeling proud of our motherland brings happiness, which is turn boosts us to serve our country selflessly in any field of one's interest, which unitedly shall take our country to great heights. At last, but the not least, I must say, India is for Indians. Promote Make in India and always be proud to be an Indian. Thank you.